Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna show you how to fix the Epic Games login error so you can get back into your games without any issues. So first, simply check your internet connection. Seriously, a slow or unstable connection can usually cause login problems. So simply restart your router or switch in networks if possible. Next, you're also gonna have to make sure the Epic Games launcher is updated. So simply try opening it, and if there's an update available, install it before trying to log back in again. Now another tip you can also try, guys, is simply clearing the launcher's cache. So to do this, simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in %localupdater %. From there, you then have to go to the Epic Games launcher folder and delete the saved folder. So this resets temporary files that can usually block your login. Finally, if you're still having trouble, you can also try restarting your PC and run the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. Now after these steps, you should be able to log back in again and play normally. So that's really it. So that's all we had for this video. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.